Welcome to today's final class on spellings in English language for classes 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is chapter 3 and part 7 of the video. There are 7 videos in all, and these 7 videos are common for students of classes 5, 6, 7 and 8. I'm sure that these 7 videos on spellings are definitely going to help you to master your spellings and to enrich your vocabulary so that you can really write very good English. So please don't miss out on the 7 videos on spellings. Dear students of classes 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's continue. Recap. A quick recap of what was done in the previous video. Rule number 7. Words ending in EE, do not drop an E. IE changes to Y. Rule number 8. A final Y changes to IE before a suffix except ing. Y being followed by a vowel does not change. If you have a vowel following it, it does not change. You remember the words we had done? Yes? Let's go ahead. Rule number 9. When IE or EI is pronounced like E in Jeep, how do you say Jeep? Jeep. Jeep. We don't say Jeep. Jeep. Yep. Jeep. So, I comes before E except after C. So, when IE or EI, both of them, when you pronounce them as EE in Jeep, then I comes before E except in cases of C. Where there is C, you will have a difference there. Let's look at the examples. Believe, believe, relieve, achieve. So here we are seeing I comes before E except after C. Grieve, yield and field. Okay? Did you all understand that? Now you see the next one. Receive, Jeep, receive, receipt. What has happened to the position of E and I? In believe, it was IE. In receive, because C is coming there, it becomes EI. Receipt. Can you see that? Deceive, deceit, conceive, conceit. So wherever C comes, there IE will become EI. Is that clear, children? Next, you have words with IE. A number of words have been given to you. Retrieve, belief, chief, thief, brief, grief, diesel, diet, fielder, fiend, fiery, Liu, lieutenant, main, knees, piety, peers, peace, pied, pyre, quiet, quiescent, quieten, quietude, siesta, Siemens, sieve. Now, many of these words are new to you, I'm sure. No problem. Pick up the dictionary, take out these words, write these words in your notebooks, and then write out the meaning for each of these. And when you write the meanings, you will see how, you can see, you've heard the pronunciation in this. Retrieve, believe, chief. So you notice that IE will come when C is not there. The moment C enters a spot, There it becomes EI. Is it clear, children? Okay. Next. Words with EI. It's easier to remember. Beige is a color. Being. Ceiling. Defy. Deign. Deism. Deity. Eid is a function, isn't it? Eid Mubarak. Eider. Wear. Feign. Faint. Feisty. Giger. Geisha. Higher to the throne. Heinous. Height. Heirloom. Heast. Heiress. Leisure. Leitmotif. Meiosis. Neigh. Who neighs? Horse. Neighbor. Neither. Nain. Reimburse. Okay. Rain. Reincarnate. Reindeer. Reissue. Seismic. Scene. Seismograph. Vein. Veil. Weight. So all these words are there in the dictionary, and when you search out and check whether they are put in the correct place, you will really understand a lot. Is that clear, children? Yes, but you have to do the work of opening up your dictionary, looking for the meanings, learning the spellings, keeping the point in mind. Let's go ahead with rule 9. Still here also we have exceptions. And let's see those exceptions. Seize. S-E-I. Is there a C there? But how does, when I say seize, how does it sound? C. So seize is an exception. Weird. Weird. Is there a C there that EI came first? No. Weird. Protein. Protein. These are all spellings with difference. Surfeit. Surfeit. Counterfeit. Counterfeit. Plebeian. Plebeian. So I would request all of you to please take these words, look up the dictionary, write down the meanings, and you will understand what they mean. There has to be some work for you also. Learn all these details so that you know where to use your spellings correctly. To summarize, rule number 9. When IE or EI is pronounced like E as in Jeep, I comes before E except after C. So after C what happens? It becomes EI. Words with IE, given you a huge list. Words with EI and exceptions to the rule. Now it's time for some questions. Questions? Answer the following questions in your notebooks. And again, as I told you, you can correct your answers by yourselves with the help of the dictionary. And I will be very happy to see some books with students who have done it. You can do it, take a picture and send it across through WhatsApp so that we know that you have understood what you are doing. Is that clear? Write 10 words using IE. I've already given you a list, but I don't want you to write it without looking up the dictionary, because maybe you will find more words than I have written on this slide. Next, write 10 words using EI and check whether all those words follow the rule that after C they become EI. Write some exceptions, like you saw now: weird, counterfeit, surfeit, isn't it? There were some differences. What are syllables? This is from the first video. How many consonants are there in English? I want you to correct a mistake here which has purposely been done. How many consonants are there in English? There's something wrong with the word English. Correct it and show me. Write any rule. There are 9 rules you have been taught. Any one rule you pick and give examples. Find the meanings of the words given in the list. EI and IE. Put everything in your notebook and you can take a picture of it and post it on WhatsApp so that I can understand whether you have been able to follow the rules or something has been understood by you and now your spellings are improving because of this video. Thank you, dear students. Thanks for your patient hearing and wish you all the very best. Thank you. Sai Ram.